Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain about GATE exam because many people they don't know the advantages of clearing GATE exam and what facilities they will get after clearing the GATE examination, and what is the question paper pattern, what is the syllabus, because there is one myth about GATE exam, that is the syllabus is very tough. So the student already studying engineering, they already feel the toughness level of the subject, then again they don't want to study again the toughest syllabus, so they always ignore. But there are many advantages for clearing the GATE exam, so let's see in this video. So this video includes the advantages of GATE exam, means the clearing the GATE exams and what advantages we will get, then the eligibility criteria to appear GATE exam, what eligibility we need, then question paper pattern, next syllabus for mechanical engineering. Up to question paper pattern everybody can refer, means other branch students, other except mechanical engineering students, other can also use this video. And for the syllabus for mechanical engineering, I included for only mechanical engineering because I belongs to mechanical engineering, so I can explain what syllabus will come. For other branch students, you can go through any website, you can search syllabus for GATE examination, you will get the PDF of your detailed syllabus. So let's start. See, GATE exam is a national level exam which is started in the year of 1984. So each IIT in India conduct this exam every year in the month of February. Means there are 23 IITs are there in India. So in those 23, there are 8 standard IITs are there, from IISc Bengaluru to IIT Kanpur. So there are the 8 standard IITs are there. They only conduct GATE examination. So for example, in 2016, IISc Bengaluru, in 2017, IIT Roorkee, Guwahati, Madras, Delhi, Bombay, Kharagpur, Kanpur. Then again it start from IISc Bengaluru. So like that. So next slide explains who can appear GATE exams. So the GATE exam full form is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So many people think about that only engineering student can write this exam. So that is not truth. So there are 6 degree level categories, professional degree level categories. The degrees which comes under these 6 categories can also write GATE exam. So for example, for engineering student, if they want to do MTech, they can write GATE exam. If they want to do PhD after MTech, they can also write GATE exam. So in technological student can also write GATE exam. Science students, means degree which comes under in science. For example, medical, BSc, agriculture, BSc nursing, and MSc, and see the degree which comes under science, they can also write. Architecture students can also write. Commerce students, BCom students, BCA students, art students, BA students, MA students can also write this exam. And there is a one important note here. Before earlier, means before 3-4 years back, there was a one rule, only 4th year students or the students they got completed their graduation can only appear for this GATE examination. But now the rule is changed, the facility is extended. The student who are studying in 3rd year, they can also write GATE exam. So there is a 3 years of validity card you will get after clearing the GATE exam. After reaching the cutoff level, you will get GATE scorecard. The validity of GATE scorecard is 3 years, so you can use. So now we will see the important part of this video, that is the advantages of qualifying GATE exam. So what facility we will get after clearing the GATE exam. So as I said, many people ignore about the GATE syllabus. They feel very tough because these myths are they heard from somebody. So they so they lose their concentration over this exam. So now there are 11 facilities or advantages we will get after clearing the gate exam. First one is admission in master such as mtech, msc, me with stipend. This is very important one, so that's why I highlighted it. They will get a stipend up to 12,400 per month for 2 years, because the course duration is 2 years. They will get 12,400 per month. And there is a one important note: admission should be in AICT approved institute or university. So don't worry about this, because 90 to 95 engineering colleges or engineering institute comes under AICT approved. So don't worry, but please make sure that before admitting, that institute or university should be comes under AICT. So you will get 12,400 per month up to 2 years. Then the next one is PhD. You can do PhD for by qualifying gate exam, and there also you will get 31,000 31,000 31,000 to 35,000 of typhoon up to 5 years. So this is also one of the major facility by for qualifying gate exam for those students who want to do PhD. Next, there is again one more advantage for qualifying the gate exam, that is hiring PSU through gate exam. So before that we will understand what is PSU. PSU means public sector undertaking companies. Say for example DRDO, BHEL, Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil, ONGC, National Thermal Corporation Limited, NTPC. So these are the there are 270 PSUs are there in India. So they can hire you after qualifying the gate. But there is a one important advantages again in PSUs. There will be high package salary. You will get high salary like 7 to 18 LPA per month. So this salary is separate, and also they also add some allowances rupees in our account. For example, if you are wearing a sunglass, means that for medical purpose you are using, and additional things or additional accessories you are using, then they will also pay for that allowances also. Means the salary is separate plus the allowances. So there are three categories are there in PSU: Maharatna, Navaratna, Miniratna. In Maharatna, they will pay high salary. In Miniratna, they will pay low salary. In Navaratna, they will pay medium salary. Low salary means you will almost 7 to 9 LPA will be there. So this is the minimum salary for Miniratna. Because Maharatna PSU net profit is 15,000 crores. Navaratna PSU profit is 5,000 crores. Below 5,000, all the PSUs which has the annual profit less than 5,000, they get they are called as Miniratna. So Maharatna is the higher one, Miniratna is medium one. Sorry, Maharatna is higher one, Navaratna is middle one, and Miniratna, as the name itself suggests, Miniratna is lower, medium, higher, medium, lower. So the next one is ISRO requirement through. ISRO also requiring for junior scientist through their gate examination. If you have good marks in gate exam, they will hire directly. Technical job through gate exam, there are n number of technical jobs are there. So for most important for mechanical engineering student, they have confusion, like they don't getting any jobs in core companies. So they feel guilty about their branch, because so for those students, so please, we cannot that PSUs only hire mechanical engineering. For 780 to 85 jobs are belongs to only mechanical engineering, and they are for core companies. All PSUs are core companies almost. So you don't worry about that. So you appear gate exam, score a good marks, so you will get job in PSU jobs are semi-government, means semi-government jobs, permanent jobs. So it may be permanent after working few years. So this is a good platform for work for mechanical engineering students and other students if they get job in that platform. So next, ISRO requirement. ISRO will also require through GATE. Technical job you will get in metro. In technical field you will get jobs through GATE exam. Research opportunities through GATE exams. Now the research opportunity is elaborated, explorer. So you need to clear GATE exam to involve in that field. Chance to study in foreign. So you can go to abroad and you can study MSc. And requirement in private sectors. ISRO requirement through GATE. Sorry, this point become double. Yeah, AAI requirement through GATE. The full form of AAI is Airport Authority requirement through GATE. So these also very good job for working foreign engineers. So the Airport Authority is also hire students for their requirement. They also pay high salary, and the safety is also one of the major advantage in this field. So in order to get the job in AAI, so we need to write GATE exam. We need to score good marks in GATE exam. So opportunity to work in research positions like JRFS, means the full form of JRF is Junior Research Fellowship. So there are again one more word, SRF, Senior Research Fellow, Junior Research Fellow. So see, in ISRO, DRDO, in IIT, these three hire Junior Research Fellow, Senior Research Fellow for research purpose. So they also give stipend up to 35,000. So these are the advantages of clearing GATE exam. See, for example, a student who cleared GATE and the student who not cleared GATE, the student who cleared the GATE has thousands of ways, so he can go anywhere. So if you are not planned for GATE exam, so please prepare a plan, have a brief explanation about that exam. Please first know what is the advantages of clearing GATE exams. There is no disadvantages of clearing any exams, including except GATE exam. There is no any disadvantages for clearing different exams. If you are preparing GATE exam, you will also go for UPSC like ESE, Engineering Service Examination, or IAS officer. You can become IAS officer also because the syllabus is similar. Just ESC means IAS syllabus has elaborated, extended, then GATE exam means some portion is extended, that's it. So you can prepare for GATE as well as ESC. And you can also take optional syllabus in UPSC Civil Service Examination. There are optional papers are there now, one optional and two optional. So you can also take mechanical engineering 1 and mechanical engineering 2. So there also syllabus is similar as when compared to GATE exam, there also syllabus is similar. So if you preparing for GATE exam, so you can also clear optional syllabus, optional papers in UPSC Civil Service Examination. Many engineers, many officers have taken optional as a mechanical engineering 1 and 2. So they also cleared and they also got good rank in UPSC Civil Service. So these are the advantages of qualifying GATE exam. For mechanical engineering, please concentration point number 3, hiring PSU through GATE. If you don't want to do any you don't want to continue any education, so you can go for PSUs. Every year PSU hire. So now the important part is exam pattern. So the number of marks is 100, duration is 3 hours. There are two sections are there in question paper. First one is general aptitude, second one is branch questions. So general aptitude will come for 10 questions. 5 questions are 1 marks and 5 questions are 2 marks. Now branch subject questions means respective branch subject questions are 55 questions are there. So total questions, total number of questions 65. Now the marks allotment, how these questions are allotted by marks. First, 15 marks for general studies means 10 questions, 5 questions for 1 marks, 5 questions for 10 marks, so it becomes 15. So 15 marks for general studies and 13 marks for mathematics. Again 72 marks branch questions means if you are belongs to civil questions will come. If you belongs to mechanical questions will come. If you belongs to electrical electronics, 72 marks will come from each department. So total number of marks is 100. So now the important concept in exam pattern, that is negative marking. So many people they don't know about negative marks. Negative marks for one question is 0.33 and for two questions 0.66. Now the now the types of questions which asked in GATE exam means for 100 marks questions there will be 65 questions. How these 65 questions are arranged? There are three category again: MCQ, MSQ, NAT, multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, numerical answer type questions. In multiple choice questions, there is a one question, four option. In that four option, one answer. In multiple selection, there is one question, four options. In that four option, there will be more than one answer is there. So option A, option B should be answer. Option A, option B, option C should be answer. Option A, option B, option C, option D. All options should be answer. So this is a multiple selection question. So if these kind of questions are asked, if you there is a one question there and there are four options, there are A, C and D are the answers. So then again you choose an like A, C, then you will not get any marks for that question. Even one option is correct, so you don't get any marks for wrong selection of wrong option also. Again you chosen the options A, C and D also answer, but you have not chosen, there also there is no any marks for such kind of answers. So you have to answer how many correct options are there, so you should answer those all options. So these are the two main category which comes under questions. So next third one is NAT means there is a numerical type functions will be asked, means there will be problem is given, all the given data will be given, the calculator is also provided on the screen. You need to calculate the answer and you need to put that values. They will also ask for digits. If your answer is coming in a decimal, they will say up to 4 digits, up to 5 digits, up to 2 digits. So they will notify you and you need to answer for that. These are the three category which comes under questions: multiple choice selection, multiple questions, multiple selection questions, numerical type question. Now the negative marks rule. The negative marks rule is like that: negative marks are there only for MCQ questions, not for MSQ, NAT. Means multiple choice questions, there will be one question, four options, in that one will be answer. So if you choose a wrong answer, you will lose your marks. Like if that question is for 1 marks, 0.3 marks you will be reduced. If that question is for 2 marks, you will reduce 0.6 marks. Only in multiple choice questions. Negative marking is not for multiple selection and numerical type answer. This is the negative mark rule for in GATE examination. So don't worry about that. How it is possible? So you try to answer in multiple selection and multiple answer type question. So you are answering for multiple choice question. So make sure that that question should be right. If you answered wrong, you will lose marks. So in multiple choice questions only has negative marking. So up to that exam pattern, this video is applicable for all students. So for mechanical engineering students, I have included syllabus. For 15 marks, they will ask general aptitude, right? In that verbal aptitude basic, these content will be there. I will share this PPT. Drive link I will be share in description, so you can download it. So this is the syllabus for general aptitude, which will be asked for 15 marks. So next, mechanical engineering syllabus. For 85 marks they will ask mechanical engineering questions. So the question paper code will be like ME, mechanical engineering. Again, 13 marks for mathematics, right? So they will ask engineering mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, differential equations, then probability and statistics, numerical methods, complex variables. So this is the syllabus for mathematics, which is going to ask for 13 marks. And this is the section 2. Next 72 questions, core questions will comes from this syllabus: applied mechanics and design, engineering mechanics, mechanics of material, is a strength of material, theory of machine. So for there is a standard books are there, so I will say few good books for a respective subject. Mechanics of material you can refer R.K. Bansal. For theory of machines you can refer R.S. Kurmi and R.S. Ratan. For vibration you can refer V.P. Singh. For machine design you can refer R.S. Kurmi. So in session 3, fluid mechanics and thermal science is there, that is thermal engineering. So for fluid mechanics you can refer R.K. Bansal. Heat transfer you can refer R.K. Rajput. Thermodynamics you can refer P.K. Nag and R.K. Rajput. Applications, power engineering you can refer any expert author books. So you will get if you search in Google you will get. So material manufacturing, industrial engineering is also there. Engineering material will be asked, casting, forging. These all subjects we already covered in our engineering. So we need to concentrate all these subjects when we are preparing for GATE examination. Each and every single concept we have to prepare. Otherwise we will if we are skipping any one part in that, they will also ask from that question also, because that is the rule of GATE examination. If you are preparing, you have standard books and you are try to skip that because you are not understanding that concept. So you are skipping that and you are going for the next concept. So there will be questions from that skipped part also. So please be remember that every concept should be clear by you. You are not understanding, go through the many videos are available in YouTube. So this is the syllabus for mechanical engineering students. So these all subjects are already studied by you, so you just go through it once. So this is the complete explanation about GATE examination. Thank you.